This is Quick Time Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to sort out an album, a song in your iTunes library that you downloaded from the internet. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go all the way to your dock and open up iTunes and navigate to the song, the album, or whatever you downloaded from the internet so we know what we are editing. So at the moment, I think I will just go to songs and then change it to date added. So we added this today, and now go to the album, and now we have to highlight this, right click and go to get information, and now we are ready to start editing. And the first thing we want to do is change the artwork. So we would go to Safari and now type in 50 Cent in the club artwork, album art, and go to images, and this is the one. So we need to find the appropriate photo, so we can take this one or this one, right click and do save image as, and save this to the desktop. Now we can get out of Safari, and now here is the artwork itself. Click on this, drag it to the left and put it on this, and now press OK. So this is what we are left with. Now click this itself, and this is what you should see on the screen. So right click, highlight, and right click this all again, and now we know that this artwork has been done. We could put some lyrics in. We have other options for when the song would start and stop, sorting the file, and we don't really need to touch any of this, so we can't touch any of this. We can just touch the details. We know that this song was from 2003, track 1 of 1 and disc 1 of 1. This would show you how many plays it has, so we can remove the comments. We don't really need this. And now the album artist, if we just copy this and paste that into album artist, the genre itself is hip-hop and rap. Show composed in all views. Click on OK, and where is it? Here is the song itself. So that's how you edit an album, a song in iTunes, with the title, the artist name, number, the artwork. So I will close out of this, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.